How to buy GYATCOIN token. So this token came under the symbol of GYAT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 20 hours ago and it's increased by 10,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 98%. That's good. That's meaning investment in the safe place. This token is trending number 10 right now on the screener. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, click here to copy the token address. So as you can see, this token address is under this signature. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. Click here on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallets. Click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So that's it. So select the provider, for example, Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from your customer, because most of the issues came from the slippage, as you know. So after that, you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy GYAT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.